Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Bluum box unboxing. I have done a bunch of these videos on my channel before. I will link a playlist down below, but then I stopped getting the box for a while and now I'm getting it again. I'm super excited about this box because this is the pregnancy box. I've never gotten this box before. I think my first box, if you hear voices in the background, that's Sorella. My first box I think was when Emmeline was 4 months old. I will have all the details for Bluum box down below. It's a monthly subscription service. You can pay monthly. It's $34 a month. So yeah, they have a pregnancy box. Otherwise, they gear the box towards your children's age, which is awesome. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing in the box is from Itsy Ritsy. Oh, Itsy Ritsy is the company that Erin Williams collaborated with for her diaper bag. Oh, cool. So yeah, this is a teething necklace and I'm so excited for this. I do have a couple of other teething necklaces, but this will be, I almost said her name. Woo! This will be baby number 4's own teething necklace. Super excited about this. I love the colors. Silicone beads, and they're strung together very nicely so you don't have to worry about them like falling off. Because that's honestly the first thing that I was worried about when I first saw these. I was like, oh, that's such a cool idea, but what if one of the balls falls off? Oh, this is also from Itsy Ritsy. This says, nursing happens, infinity breastfeeding scarf. Oh, I like the pattern. It totally matches this. Super cute. Used as a scarf or a breastfeeding cover. Super cute. I wonder if this can also be used as like a car seat cover, because I've seen a lot of companies that make stuff like this and they're like multi-purpose. Like you can use them as a car seat cover, a nursing cover, a scarf, like a shopping cart cover when you're going to the grocery store. So yeah, I wonder if that could be used for that too. Probably. I mean, I don't know if it's big enough. You could probably also use it as like a wrap. I don't know, maybe I'm getting too fancy with it, but yeah, you know, I'll try it. And I love that pattern, it's so cute. The next thing in the bag looks like this. This is from Two Red Hens Studio. This is a diaper pack. Huh, let's open this. Oh! It literally went flying across the room. Hold on. So this is cute. Ooh, this is like definitely a waterproof material. This says, how do you keep your diapers and wipers at your fingertips while keeping them out of sight too? With Two Red Hens Studio Ingenious Diaper Pack, of course. What's more, our diaper pack pulls double duty. In a pinch, this leak-proof bag can also hold bottles. Is my camera still on? Oh, okay, it looks like it stopped recording. It can hold bottles and snacks. So this is cool. It has like a little clasp here. Like you can attach it to like your diaper bag or like your stroller. Oh yeah, and then it's definitely like plastic on the inside, so this is cute. Last thing in the box is Pure and Simple by Jean-Pierre. This is the Groovy Grapefruit Makeup Remover and Cleansing Wipes. Ooh, I like this. Let's smell them. Groovy Grapefruit. Let's smell it. Oh, smells like grapefruit. I've never heard of this company before. Pure and Simple by Jean-Pierre. So I'm excited. Like I said, never heard of this company before, but I'm super excited to use these. I will definitely use these. So that is everything that is in my pregnancy Bluum box. It is definitely worth $34. I'm so excited for everything that I got. If you guys want to sign up for Bluum, I will have a link down below. I might have a coupon code too. I don't remember. If I do, that will be down below as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.